I try to be quiet when people are driving. So if when you enter that, you hug off to...
Yeah, as you enter, you have to be out there.
Yeah. And then you're kind of positioned right for that zone.
Gotcha.
You'll get it on the next one.
Well, exactly. That was okay coming through. It's like, okay, clean. It's like coming up to that one. It's like, shit. I knew I was on the wrong side, and I was trying to move out there without getting myself pinched up there as well.
Yeah, I almost reminded you. I was like, oh, maybe he's got this.
You're fine. I appreciate it. I'm not sure if I was clean on that last section back here. I think I may have clipped a cone.
Oh.
But we'll see. It was good. Thank you.
Yeah. I mean, you got that lane change.
Last one? Last one. Go big. And then go home. Then go home. It was laid down cuts. 46.